1993 300. By now, hold on. So everyone, today is a sad day. Not for me, for my father. What's going on, everyone? Today is a sad day. Not for me, for my father. We bought his dream car. Well, second dream car, right? The first dream car he had, we sold, and he didn't know. So he had a 1993 300 CE. And I'll show you guys a picture. It was a two-tone. It's pretty sure an inline 6, if I'm correct. I'll let you guys know, but pretty sure it's an inline 6. And now the car, when we first got it, it ran. My dad loved it. It was beautiful. The car had zero issue. It had like little touches, like interior wise, like the wood trim needed to get fixed. The seats were messed up. They were ripped, so we put like car seat covers over them. We put a BS like steering wheel cover just on AutoZone because the steering wheel was messed up. So I had a lot of little cosmetic issues, I guess. Yeah, a little bit of cosmetic issues. The exterior was a little bit messed up too. It had some rust spots. We had to replace the headlights, the taillights, because they just did not go with the idea we wanted to do. The idea we originally wanted to do with that car was convert it to a 190E. And if you guys know, with that engine that it came with at that time was in the same engine as the 300 CE, which is considered the German 2JZ basically. And that car, if you put a single turbo kit, you were guaranteed 500 horsepower. And that's exactly what we wanted to do. We wanted to do a whole new body kit, update the interior, obviously a new set of rims, just completely change the car, night and day difference. But then we ran into some issues. After 2 months of owning that car, the computer got shorted out somehow. We got some water went inside for whatever reason. Don't know how that happened. So some water went inside, and then the car started up again. Great. And then like 3-4 months later, a relay goes out. And now we have to source out a relay all the way from UK, which took about 2 to 3 months to even come in. So that car has been sitting for 2 to 3 months. We drove the car for about a year. And one day, as I'm taking it out just to go get it washed, the car started, drove perfectly fine. Midway of me going to the car wash, the car shuts off. And I'm like, hey, what the hell's going on? So I thought maybe the battery died, the alternator wasn't working, because it was cranking slightly, but then it would just like kind of die a little bit. So then we got it to start up back again. We jumped it, great. And then once we park it at the house, it shuts off again. And I'm like, what the hell's going on? Turned out the fuel pumps were no good. So we had to replace the fuel pumps. The car was not getting gas. Don't know how it even ran from the car wash to the gas, from the car wash to my house. It's like a 5-minute drive. So the car made it. We started sourcing things out. We replaced the fuel pumps, tried cranking it, did not work. Just thinking, the car is not getting spark. So we said, screw it. And we decided to list the car. Me and my brothers decided to list the car and decided to take that money and invest it into something else. But I'll get back to you guys after this. I'm at Best Buy now, hold on. BRB. Now, what are we investing it into? No clue. We're still sourcing it out. We still want to get him something in the Mercedes era range, where it's a antique kind of and very classic car. We just don't know what yet to go for. We don't know if we're gonna do a E55, which is a little bit newer, or we don't know if we want to do maybe another S-Class. We don't know if we're gonna go, we don't know what route we're trying to push through, but we are looking. So if you guys have any suggestions what we should buy, or what's a good idea to maybe put an investment in as a project car, let me know. But as of right now, we are sourcing out a few different cars. We have a few cars in mind. We're just not 100% sure. But that 300 CE would have been a beautiful car, especially for the channel, because we could have converted it into a drift car. It needed body work, and the body work would have been like, if we did the conversion kit, it would have cost us like $5 grand to do the conversion kit, and then another $2 grand to do the turbos. So it wouldn't have been too crazy. Realistically, we would probably invested like 10 grand into it to make it like a proper drift car with the angle kit, with a good set of tires and rims. It would probably run us like 10 grand, because half the stuff we would have sourced it out on Facebook Marketplace. But it just didn't make sense for us to keep it and keep investing into a car that would not operate, where we can't really make that much content with because of we're not able to find the issue. We just could not source out where this issue was from, why it wasn't sparking, why the fuel line did not decide to, why it shit the bed out of nowhere. We just couldn't decide and understand why things are going the way they are. So the reason we just sold it, and we didn't make that much on it, honestly. We lost more than what we made from like putting parts into it by fixing it, because like I said, we put new headlights, new trim upgrades. It was a sick car. It even had a cell phone inside. It was beautiful, but it just did not make sense, and that's why we sold it. Now if you're wondering, how much did you sell it for? What'd you sell it for? We bought the car for $2 grand, but we sold it for 28, not including that. Didn't, like, we lost a lot of money if you really think about it, from all the parts. I think from everything, with buying ECUs, relays, all the headlights, the tail lights, the trim, all that stuff, we probably, I want to say, put like $2,500 into all that, because a lot of the stuff were secondhand, or they were just very cheap online, because the car is old and a lot of people just wanted to get rid of the parts. So that's literally the reason why we had to sell it. It just did not make sense for us to keep it, and it makes no sense for my dad to have it where he can't drive it, because we surprised him with it for his 50th, but it makes no sense to keep it because you can't use it. So we sold it. Now we're buying something else. What do you guys suggest to buy? I don't know what to buy. See, my older brother Ali suggests an S500. I think an E55, a V8 with a supercharger would be nice, because he already has an S63 that is a V8 with 2 turbos, kind of pushing 664 horsepower. That's a video for another day, but I think to keep up with something like that would have been nice. I'm not sure yet. I don't know what to really do, because like, you got an SL 500, you got a bunch of really nice old Mercedes cars that are out there that my dad really likes. So for his 52nd birthday, we decided to get him something else, just not sure what, still deciding. Let me know what you guys think. Honestly, I really don't know what to get him. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Honestly, let me really know what you guys think we should get him, what, any recommendations, anything, honestly, anything. Something that a 52-year-old gentleman that would truly enjoy, a car that is not, oh, it has to be fast, it doesn't have to look crazy, something clean, something classic, something that he can enjoy on his Sundays, just chilling and cruising. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. The next video is gonna be something special. It's gonna be a, dude, I think we just found that the sickest car. What car? Like this.
No way. That's sick.
Like, look at this shit, bro. This car's sick.
That's mint.
We might actually do this, bro. And look at the, bro, look, 97,000 miles for this old of a car.
Bro, that's actually 95. That's nice.
I think this is what we do.
Yeah, that's nice.
We're gonna do this one.
A fire's burning.